are the common gallinule, but it has a white bill. Remember I told you that there's another hole, big hole. This is a 16-foot hole. He's fishing it right now. Yeah, but they don't come to the island. They come and look off at Jiggs Landing.
Oh, really?
It's kind of sad. They have such bright eyes. Exactly, yeah. We got a sunset behind us. We have several of the great white egret nests right here, right in the back. You can see one. She's right on top of her nest. Guys, the roseate spoonbill. Straight ahead. See the big. Just painted the sky. So that tree is very strategic. Well, this female won and got that tree to nest in, and you're going to notice how close it is that she can dip down and grab food out of the water.
Yeah, Patty.